To manage guest accounts in Azure, you can follow these steps. Sign into the Azure portal, https://portal.azure.com, using your Azure account. Navigate to the Azure Active Directory, AR, service. You can find it by searching for Azure Active Directory in the search bar or by selecting it from the list of services. In the Azure Active Directory pane, click on Users in the left-hand menu. This will show you the list of users in your directory. To filter the list and display only guest accounts, click on the All Users drop-down at the top of the Users page and select Guest Users from the drop-down menu. Once the guest users are displayed, you can perform various actions on them. Here are some common management tasks. Invite guest users. To invite a new guest user, click on the plus New Guest User button at the top of the Users page. Fill in the required details, such as the guest user's email address and an invitation message, and click Invite to send the invitation. View and edit guest user properties. Click on a guest user's name to view and edit their properties. You can modify details like name, email address, job title, and more. You can also assign them to groups, enable multi-factor authentication, or reset their password. Remove guest users. To remove a guest user from your directory, select the users from the list and click on the Delete button at the top of the Users page. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Manage guest user access. You can control the access and permissions of guest users by assigning them to Azure Ad groups or by managing their application and resource access individually. You can do this by navigating to the respective areas in the Azure portal, such as Azure Ad Groups or the specific application/resource settings. These steps should help you get started with managing guest accounts in Azure. Remember that Azure Active Directory provides many more features for user and access management, so you can explore further based on your specific requirements.